Hey guys, what's up? This is Shan Heather and today we got Huawei Nova 4 smartphone with us and we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We are going to have a look on the device, its design, highlighted features, functionality, and a quick look on specs, features, etc. and all of the usual unboxing stuff. So let's start it. So here is the retail box of Huawei Nova 4. You can see it comes with a minimalist design. There is nothing mentioned on the box itself except the information that the device we got is Nova 4. It comes with 128GB storage, 8GB RAM. The device we got inside is black in color and this is a dual SIM smartphone. So now let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. And here we go. So here is our Huawei Nova 4 in black color. Here is the SIM card tray ejector pin, quick start guide. Case is provided as well, a silicone case. And here is the charger, 3.5mm earphone. So we got a 3.5mm jack. Here is the USB Type-C cable, and here we got an 18-watt Huawei quick charger. So these are the stuff we got inside the retail box of Nova 4: the smartphone, the back case, SIM card tray ejector pin, user manual, USB Type-C cable, 3.5mm earphone, and an 18-watt quick charger. So here is the Huawei Nova 4. Let's switch on the device. And while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs of this device. So it comes with Kirin 970 processor, 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen. It runs on Android 9 along with Emotion UI 9. Talking about the GPU, it comes with Mali G72 MP12 GPU and there is no memory card slot provided. There is a fingerprint sensor on the back and the screen to body ratio we got here is 86%. It comes with 25 megapixel front facing camera with a punch hole screen. So you can see that basically what we got here is full screen and there is a tiny camera cut out on the screen itself. On the back side we got 20 megapixel primary camera, 16 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel bokeh sensor. There are two variants of Huawei Nova 4 available. One comes with 20 megapixel camera and another one comes with 48 megapixel camera. So the one we got here is the 20 megapixel primary camera variant. So now I'm going to skip all of these steps to reach the home screen. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Huawei Nova 4 smartphone. Comes with a 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen with a punch hole display. So the screen to body ratio is 86% and that's really nice. So first of all, let's have a look on the design of the device. So as we have already talked about, the front side is basically just a screen. As you can see that it's starting from here and going till here. The screen to body ratio is 86% and the bezels are very thin and narrow. We got a bit of chin here, but the bezels at the sides are nearly negligible as you can see. At the top there is a very minor bezel as you can see, and here is the 25 megapixel front facing camera with a hole in the screen. So Nova 4 is the first Huawei smartphone that comes with punch hole display and it is one of the most beautiful Huawei smartphone currently available. On the right hand side there is power on off key, volume rockers. At the top there is 3.5mm audio jack, microphone. At the bottom there is speaker grill, USB Type-C cable, again the primary microphone and two antenna lines. As you can see here, they are very well hidden, not visible at all. And on the left hand side there is the SIM card tray slot and there are two SIM card slots inside this. There is no memory card slot as I have already said. So this is about the design of the device and as you can see that it's really beautiful. On the front side everything is just a screen. The device is pretty thin as well and as you can see The backside of Huawei Nova 4 is very much similar to Huawei P20 Pro, and it's really beautiful. The variant we got here is black, but the blue one looks even more beautiful than this. Talking about the display quality, Huawei Nova 4 comes with 6.4-inch Full HD Plus screen with 86% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you are going to get is 398 PPI, so it is a bit less than 400 that you will find on most of the flagship smartphones these days. But the display quality is really nice, as you can see here. It's really sharp, it's really crisp, and as you can see that the viewing angles are nice as well. It's really nice. So the display quality seems really nice of Huawei Nova 4, and the touchscreen sensitivity is quite good as well. You can see how smooth is the touchscreen sensitivity. It's responding to all of my touches all over the screen. On the home screen, we got the regular Huawei stuff like phone manager, themes, music, video. There is a folder of Google application. Then there is setting, gallery. We got high care, app gallery, files, health, clock, calendar, email, notepad. There is party mode provided that syncs multiple Huawei smartphone and plays same music at the very same time to create a party effect. And then in the tools folder you will find some useful applications. There is Facebook provided pre-installed, and there is a folder of top application with Netflix and Facebook Messenger, and then we got booking.com app as well. So now if you go to the settings, here you will find more information about the device, that it is Huawei Nova 4. It comes with Emotion UI 9.0.1. The processor used is Kirin 970. The RAM is 8 GB. Internal storage is 128, and out of which 113.29 GB is free. So nearly 15 GB storage is consumed by the ROM and pre-installed application. Here is the screen resolution, that's Full HD Plus, and it comes with Android security patch of January. And now let's take some picture from the camera app and let's see how good it's going to perform. This is the standard Huawei camera user interface that you will get. As you can see that it comes with night mode, portrait mode, there is AR lens provided as well. So these are the stuff we got. If you go to more, you will find lots of options here. We will have a look on all of them in the detailed camera review of Nova 4, but right now we are just going to take some pictures in the regular photo mode and let's see how good it's going to come. So the AI mode is already turned on. I'm just going to use it, and here is this tiny little doll that I'm going to use as subject. Focusing speed is pretty good, as you can see here. So far the AI mode is not working. I'm not getting any notification that what is being detected on my camera viewfinder. So these are the images that we have just captured, and it's looking quite good and impressive. You can see how good is the image, how much detail is there in this picture. You can see how small is this toy. This was macro shot and still lots of detail came. Really nice. And this one as well. You can get the idea about the camera quality by just comparing the picture here and the size of this toy. So at the first glance the camera performance is looking pretty good here for sure. Let me show you the wide angle. So you can see that it's at 1x right now, and I can go as low as 0.6x. You can see how many things now it is capturing, and I can go back to 1x once again. So this is how wide angle camera works on Nova 4. We will have a look on all of these features and performance in our detailed camera review of Nova 4, but at the first glance it's looking quite impressive. So at the first glance, everything about Huawei Nova 4 is nice and impressive. The device comes with great design, especially the front side is really beautiful. It's just the screen that we got here on the front side, and it comes with a punch hole display, and there is 25 megapixel camera provided in that hole. Another good part is that it comes with 3.5mm audio jack as well. Unfortunately, there is no memory card slot provided, but the internal storage capacity is 128 GB, and that is sufficient for most of the people. We got triple rear camera setup on the back with 20 megapixel primary camera, 16 megapixel wide angle camera and 2 megapixel depth sensor. And the camera performance of Huawei Nova 4 at first glance is looking quite good as well. So that's all for now friends, thanks for watching this video. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads, because very soon we are going to upload lots of videos of Huawei Nova 4, and I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.